guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got a special Merry Christmas video we're doing tonight. We just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of my followers, and wanted to involve my garage kitty, so a little lovable cat here, and my son also wanted to say a little something to you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this year. I know it's been a tough year for a lot of you guys. It's been a tough year for us as well, but just want to say thank you for keeping with this channel and watching the build back here. And again guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you